What's going on, guys? Welcome to this new video. So in today's episode, I'll be showing you how to transfer crypto, or let me say USDT, from your Binance account to another Binance account using the user ID. So without any further ado, let's aim this tutorial. So before proceeding further, I would recommend that you check the video description for important links mentioned in this video. So before we even proceed, I will need you to make sure that your Binance app is updated to the latest version. So to do this, you just want to head on to your Play Store or App Store and search for Binance, just as so. Then you want to tap on the option that comes up, and from there you want to come to this Binance page to make sure that you're using the latest version. And if you're using the latest version, you should see this open button right here. So you just want to open Binance from the Play Store and you should look up just as so. Now from here you should see your estimated total value in USDT. So it is this total value that I'll be transferring money from. So for this, you just want to click on the Binance, on the estimated total value, and then you should see it in the overview tab. So from this overview tab, you have the option to select from your spot or your funding account. So I just want to make sure that I just want to select from my spot account, because that is where I hold the largest number or the largest amount of USDT. And once you're there, you just click on it just as so, and then you want to click on this send tab at the bottom of your screen here. So you want to choose from send to Binance users, which is the first option. And right here you will be asked to enter the Binance ID of the user that you want to send this Binance crypto from, this USDT to. So you also have the option to enter the email or phone, but I will recommend that you use the Binance ID. If you don't know how to get the Binance ID, I've made a video on how to find the Binance ID in the Binance app or on the Binance website. So you want to check that video description for the complete video. So once you've gotten your recipient Binance ID, you just want to enter it into this field. I, for example, have copied it, so I'll just paste it just as so, and then just want to click on this continue. And right here you'll be asked to enter the amount. Let me say I would just want to send a test amount, let's say 1 USDT. And then now you should see the Binance ID attached to the nickname of the person holding the ID. So this nickname is the Wolf, and that is the account to which I want to send this USDT. And then the account you can still confirm from here, which is either from your funding account or from your spot account. So let's say I want to send from my spot account, just as so, and then you want to click on confirm. Now you should be asked to enter the verification code sent to you by email. So you just want to consult your email box to make sure that you've received the code. So I've consulted my email box and I've copied the code, so I just want to paste it just as so, which should initiate the payment and it should be sent right away. You can check the receipt that is just here to make sure that you've actually sent it to the correct account. And you can see from the payment method, I actually selected my spot account. In your case, it might be your funding account or any other account, and you can see the payment has been made successfully. So your recipients will receive the funds as soon as you've sent it. So that's how you get to send USDT from one Binance account to the other. Remember, you can use either the phone number or email of the recipient, but I recommend, as well as Binance as well recommends, you using the Binance ID attributed to your recipient. So you just want to check the video description to get the video on finding your user ID and then showing it to the recipient to find your own Binance user ID, which they should send to you for you to make the payment instantly. So if you actually found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss our upcoming content. So I catch you in my next episode.